Finally got some free time today, so we're doing a POV during the daytime, getting the car ready for IFO tomorrow. It's a mess, but I'm gonna go to Jason's crib right now to clean it up a little bit, and I think Angel's gonna go over there too. Xavier's gonna go. Ricky's stuck at work, but let me get out of this guy's parking lot. I got a mess in the car too, so right now the car's on 93 octane because I was doing a lot of driving since Angel was using the hybrid. But yeah, as you can see, I got 25% octane, but I do have 25% ethanol. I do have 6 gallons of 85, so when this car runs out of the gas it has right now, I'll fill it up with 85 again. That way I can have it running at its full potential right there. So this car makes 400 around 400 flat horsepower on E85 and like 375 on 93. Still feels really good. So I was talking to Danny yesterday as well. So when this car is on fully 85, it kind of tweaks out a little bit, and he was telling me that for the ethanol count, or however, whatever it is, it's a multiplier instead of like it goes off like percentages. I don't really know how to explain it, but I don't know, the car just, when you're not on full throttle or under VTEC, the car kind of tweaks out on fully 85, but when you're on full throttle over VTEC, which is like 5, the car is good. So that was something that we were talking about. Like right now the car is running really good on 93, which is great, because to get E85 I have to drive like an hour. But yeah, that's enough talking for now. Once I dial in the suspension on this car and everything that has to do with the handling, is gonna be great, because the power is there for like a dailyable car. 400 horsepower is perfect for the street. It does spin. I'm on 235/40 NT05s Nittos. I would like to go with a thicker tire. I might get a more narrow wheel for next season. Season's pretty much over, but damn, that water. Jumping a little bit there. Damn! Had almost no traction there. Yo! God damn! Back roads are fun though. In Mexico, these back roads in Mexico are fantastic. And it's so beautiful out today, 73 degrees. There's a really nice house over here, this one. They got their own fucking lake and shit, gazebo. Alright, so this is a main road. So I gotta be careful here because these cops don't like me in Mexico. That's where I am right now. I'm in Mexico right now. I wonder how funny this looks that this GoPro is just strapped to my forehead. Alright. I got so much stuff in the back right now. Everything's going all over the place. Making a bunch of noise. Get a radar detector. Not gonna lie, because relying on Waze isn't always the best. I want to do a little second gear hit right here. Just gotta check. Oh yeah. This car feels so good. When I did put it on full 93 octane, maybe I'm bugging, but I think I felt the decrease in horsepower. Like I said, I'm making 400 wheel on fully 85. I have a Sirimoto Innovative Flex Fuel Kit, as y'all can see right there. And then right now I'm making like 375, 373, 372, which is still plenty of power. As you guys can see, I'm blowing through the tires and spinning a bit of third as well. So it's definitely not low on power. But I think I can tell the difference. But I am gonna do a little hook around and I'm gonna go back to Jason's house. Right here. Should be able to fucking hooker on right here. I just don't want to go in anyone's. Alright guys, I think it's time for a launch. My mirror is going all over the place. Yeah, I wish that I could figure out a proper way to launch this car, but I have to deal with how it is right now. Let it chill a little bit after I did that fucking pull. But yeah, guys, the car feels really good. There's some minor stuff I gotta do to it. Like on the dyno when I discussed that, oh, this car's coming in hot. On the dyno when I discussed that, I think it's the front right caliper is dragging a little bit. So I gotta definitely fix that. And then I think one of my wheel bearings are bad. So I definitely want to handle that as well. And then, like I said, just suspension components. You guys, y'all can probably hear there, it starts squeaking a little bit. But I think I'm good to stop right here and just do a little walk around. Get my phone. But yeah, car feels great. I still don't mind the mess, but I still have to do that video of everything that this car has, the whole mod list. But this car, I've been beating on this car for 2 weeks straight since when Angel's been using the hybrid, and it hasn't skipped a beat. The only thing other than what I mentioned already is there's something with my charging system. So it's either the battery, the alternator, or my boy Kels told me it might just be the my grounds. So sometimes if I go on a ride and then I turn the car off, it doesn't turn back on, but I have a little Amazon jumper. So I gotta definitely figure that out. Shout out to my boy Garrett. I got a brand new Honda battery. I just haven't installed it yet, because to install the battery and mess with the battery, I got to take off the whole bumper and the front and do that stuff. But oh, we got a lady looking at me, what's up? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me meet up with the guys right now so we can clean the cars and shit, and then we'll go from there. What's up, man?
I like your Civic.
Thank you, bro, I appreciate it.
That's nice.
Thanks.
It sounds great.
Yeah, I got a supercharger, pretty loud.
You supercharged it?
Yeah.
That thing sounds crazy.
Thank you, bro, I appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna meet up with the guys right now and then see what they want to do. I definitely got to clean this car. Hey, I'm at the bro in the 8.3. But yeah, I definitely got to clean this car. And then I don't think I got to do much to it other than that. Sometimes I do put the seats back in. It's not really much of the weight reduction. You can hear the car way more with the seats out. But yeah, that should do it. Thank you guys for watching this POV drive and me just talking shit. There's a guy coming towards me, so I'm probably gonna leave because this is probably his property. But I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out.